In this video, we are going to be going through how to sign up to the eShop as an existing customer. On the Wurth eShop homepage, navigate to the top right and click Sign Up Now. Select I'm an existing customer and then click Next. Enter your customer number, company name and address of your business. Next, fill in the personal data of the person who will be using the account. Please use an active email address for this. Choose a password that has at least 8 characters and excludes any special characters such as exclamation marks. Please note, your customer number cannot be used as your password. Please check the newsletter box to keep up to date with our latest offers and promotions. Next, read the terms and conditions and check the box once you have done so. Confirm you are a business by checking the box. Lastly, double check your details and if they are all correct, click Next. Congratulations, you are now signed up to the Wurth eShop. A confirmation email will be sent to you. This may take up to 15 minutes. Please make sure you check your junk folder, just in case. For any further information or inquiries, please contact our customer services team